Yep, look at that. Getting ready for Christmas. Yep. Hey y'all, Mad Cat here. Hey, good morning. Yeah, it's week 8 on my journey to better health with Optavia. Week 7, I was on vacation with the Michigan. See some friends up there, my family, all that. And on our trip up there, I stayed on plan the best I could. There was some good chili at my dad's house, and there was some other good foods at other places, but I stayed on plan the best I could. Got home, a couple days, stayed on plan, and you would not believe it. You would not believe it. Let's take the number. Take a look. 286.2. I lost weight. From 297 to 86, it's like 11 pounds in 2 more weeks. It's week 8, outstanding, 286.2. Guys, get on this plan. It works. I'm telling you. And Christmas is coming. You got another big thing coming up too, Thanksgiving. I'll work by that. I want to stay on plan the best I can. And thanks to my coach, Kendra Bellin. She's my wife. She's doing good on her plan too. But I tell you, love you. This is Mad Cat. Another good loss. And I worked through it on vacation. Love you. Mad Cat. I'm out here. Have a good day.